Hi, I'm Steve Holt from Shaw Tenney. One of the products that we make that's quite unique are wooden boat hooks. And we started making these when the previous owner, Paul Reagan, bought an old sailboat, and on the deck of the sailboat was a traditional wooden boat hook with a tapered shaft. And Paul looked at it and just thought that was really a unique thing. So he started making these probably 40 years ago at Shaw Tenney. We've taken it a step farther. But our boat hooks are the old-fashioned, like all of our products, design, where this boat hook is made by hand and it's tapered. The shaft is tapered. It starts fairly large here at the diameter of the hook, and it goes down to about 7/8 of an inch here. And the reason it's done that way is if you drop the hook overboard, the weight of the hook here causes the boat hook to invert like this, and it'll float somewhere about here, so that when you're looking at it above the surface of the water, all you have to do is reach over and pick up your boat hook. So we've started doing more with the boat hooks than we have in the past. This particular one happens to be mahogany, which is the most common one that we make because it matches the trim on so many boats. Traditionally, we only made them out of ash. So now we make them out of mahogany, we make them out of ash, we also make them out of walnut to complement different boats. And then we occasionally will make them out of a specialty wood, cherry or sassafras. They're all custom made, so we can do about anything that you like. We make these in 6.5 and 8.5 foot lengths. We offer them with a traditional solid brass hook, and we also offer them with a brass hook which has a chromed finish on it, which complements stainless steel fittings on boats. 6.5 and 8.5 foot lengths. 6.5 is the most common for almost all boats. We also make a lot for the U.S. Coast Guard. That boat hook is 12 feet in length. It has a straight shaft on it. It also has an orientation groove in it so that you know where the hook is when it's underwater. We make a lot of those for the Coast Guard. They're on cutters literally all over the United States and Alaska. We've sent them to Guam. We've sent them to a lot of places. So that's sort of the story on our boat hooks.